The other day, my friend Michael told me that he paid over $5 for a bowl of ginger scallion sauce. That's way too much. That's why today I'm going to be sharing my delicious ginger scallion sauce. Once you try making this, there'll never be a day where you have to pay for it again. Let's get started. Start by thinly chopping the scallions. Next, mince the ginger. Mix it up a little bit. Now add salt, sugar, chicken bouillon, and optional is a dash of 5-spice powder. Now add cooking oil to a pan and turn on high heat. Once the oil starts to smoke like this, we can add it to the bowl. Be careful when dealing with hot oil. Now immediately mix everything together. That's it. If you hate overpaying for ginger scallion sauce, give this video a like. This sauce is perfect for chicken, beef, pork, and even just plain rice.
Wow, 好正啊!
If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.